always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Everybody loves to eat tacos. Who wouldn't? They're gooey, they're chewy, they're delicious, but it is still a junk food, and
it's easy, it tastes alright, but it doesn't really provide you any nourishment.
If you want to be able to eat something like a taco and not worry about weight gain or what it's going to do to your insulin levels, then this is the alternative kind of taco for you. So in this episode, everybody, I'm going to make tacos the keto fashioned way. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need salt and pepper, sliced onion, 1 egg, some salsa, and this one I made myself, so you can check that out in my previous video, avocado, some chili flakes, organic minced beef, grated mozzarella, and in lieu of jalapeno, which is too high in carbs, I'm actually going to use some green olives.
One step more and now we're far from everything we had. Ready for whatever's flying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So good. Feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together every step we take. Closer to each other, so much to discover. Getting lost with you. Getting lost with you.
So this is my taco, my keto taco, and I've just put a slice of avocado on the top. And it's just ready to eat, so I'm going to give it a taste test and see what it's like. It's actually kept its shape, which is interesting. It hasn't become flimsy or anything like that.
Oh, delicious!
So on that note, everybody, I hope you enjoyed watching me make this beautiful keto version of a taco. And if so, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I've got to go now. Thank you again for watching. Oh, by the way, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.